Okay, these are the past participles when you're using things in past tense. Keep in mind some of them are going to be with avoir, some of them are going to be with être, but you're never going to have a past participle just by itself. Okay, so with ER verbs, you drop the R and add an accent. Sounds the same. So this is manger and this is manger. Excuse me. IR verbs, you drop the R. So finir becomes fini. RE, you drop the RE to do a U. So vendre becomes vendu. And keep in mind there are a few irregulars and exceptions to this, but for the most part, this is what you need. Boire, bu, faire, fait, être, été, two accents. Voir, vu, mettre, mis, prendre, pris, lire, lu, pouvoir, pu, vouloir, voulu, dire, dit, venir. This one is irregular. It's not a regular IR, so venir becomes venu. Same with devenir, revenir. Naître is super irregular. I don't expect you to know how to conjugate this in the present tense, but you do need to know the past participle, which is né. Mourir is also irregular, and it is mort.